Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you how to use overlay in CapCut PC. So just let's start. So first of all, you guys have to open up your CapCut application and after that import all of the material you needed for your editing. Just like I want this overlay to be added in this video, so I will just drag and drop this overlay above my video. And just like for example it's a webcam, so I will just crop this a little bit and I will just place it here. And after that I will go into video, then I will go into cutout section. I will click on chroma key, then I will just click on it. And as you guys can see, you guys can also set up the strength or shadows from here. And as you guys can see now, the overlay has been added, and that's how you guys can easily add overlay in CapCut PC.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.